Welcome back. This is Chili Davis, and I'm back to another video. I want to welcome back all my subscribers and all my new viewers. This is the channel where we talk about my top stocks. We also talk about credit. We also talk about crypto. We also talk about business ventures that could generate you passive income. If you're new, please click the subscribe button. Please like and share the videos. The channel is growing, and I'm hoping to get to 600 subscribers soon, but I'm only at 458. So I need about 100 new subscribers. Thank you all who have recently subscribed. The credit recovery guy, he just subscribed last week. Thank you for subscribing to the Chili Davis channel. Now I'm going to get into my top stocks of the day. I am in my Robinhood portfolio where you can see we are up and to the right. So we are up and to the right like a hockey stick. We did very well today, finishing out the week. For the day, we were up 3.74%. And that means tech did rally. Okay, so we're going to see all the tech companies rally as they announced layoffs. Google or Alphabet was being crushed by being considered behind the edge. And so since other companies had committed to layoffs such as Amazon and Salesforce, this week Google came out or Alphabet came out and announced a layoffs of over 10,000 people. And so here it is. Google shares were up 5.35%. Also, Amazon announcing layoffs of over 18,000 as well, was up 4%. CrowdStrike, cybersecurity company, was up 3.55%. Also, Nucor is more of a dividend stock, more traditional still. It was up 1.77. Upstart Holdings was up 11.18%. Apple was up today, 2.13. Now again, Apple is down to $138. Last week you could have got the stock around 120 something, but again, we are seeing tech stocks rally. Okay, also Airbnb stock was up 2.32%. Ford shares in the EV space was hot today, up 1.89%. And then Tesla got into action today, up 5.24%. So again, all the tech stocks rallied today. Sweet day in the market. Earned a little over $53 today with that tech rally. That was great news. Tesla getting into action, just one of my top stocks. Also, SOFI Bank, SOFI Technologies was up today. Basically, the stock has rallied. The CEO has bought millions of shares. Okay, Mr. Noto has bought millions of shares, and he bought them while they were under $4.50. So the CEO is confident. They have the earnings call, I think, on the 30th. So that should be probably not this Tuesday, but the following Tuesday. SoFi should report. Okay, so SoFi Technology was up 4.71% on the day. But if we look at the last week, the stock has been rallying. Okay, so prior to that, the stock was well, actually, we have to go back a little bit more. Okay, so back on January 6th, the stock was $4.60, and today the stock is up to $5.67. So again, over the last month, SoFi Technologies has rallied over 21%. That it is a good move. Now, there's some other people thinking the stock could go back to $6 after earnings call on the 30th. But again, the stock is climbing as we enter earnings season. Okay, we had banks report this week. Last week we had Bank of America, JP Morgan. This week we had Goldman Sachs. And today the lead stock was Netflix. Okay, so check out this website here called Earnings Whisper. You can see Tesla reports on Tuesday the 25th. Also, Amazon reports on the 2nd of February. Microsoft, who also did layoffs, is reporting on the 24th. So that'd be Tuesday. And AMD will report on the 31st. Alphabet will report on the 2nd of February. Okay, so we do have a big earnings season coming up. This is essentially where all the top companies report the earnings. In specific, this week will be technology. So this is your top S&P 500 companies like Tesla and Apple will be telling you how much money they took in for the previous quarter and how much they expect to take into the next 3 months or the next quarter of 2023. Okay, so this is great news. The companies will lay out their forecast. Again, next week we have Tesla. We also have Microsoft, Tesla and Microsoft next week. And then the following week, we have Amazon, and we also have SOFI Technologies. Okay, so SOFI Technologies, I do hold a little over 180 shares, and they will report next week on how well they did for the previous quarter and coming forward. Okay, so SOFI was up today, 4.71%. Now let's take a quick look at the news, find out what else was going on in the market. Again, ChatGPT funded by Microsoft. OpenAI is still hot. Okay, so ChatGPT is still happening. Let's see what else. Amazon facing questions over workplace safety and bank dealings. Okay, we did talk about Amazon still is up 4% today. Elon Musk on witness stand defending Tesla buyout tweets. Okay, so this is when he said Tesla going private for 20. This is about 3 years ago when he had assumed that he was going to sell the company to Saudi Aramco or Saudi Arabian Fund. So Elon Musk on witness stand today. Tesla shares were up 5.24%. Alphabet cuts 12,000 jobs after pandemic hiring spree. Okay, refocuses on AI. Now, we do know that Alphabet or Google is on alert as the ChatGPT technology funded by Microsoft comes online. Okay, so this is huge. Microsoft is looking like they have the edge right now on a sort of artificial intelligence search-like feature, okay? Because with this ChatGPT, you can create a lot of things with ChatGPT, okay? So Microsoft doing great things with ChatGPT is giving Google a run for its money, okay? So again, Google is on, Alphabet is on red alert as this artificial technology starts to spread, okay? Well, Donald Trump's NFT soars 800% after a collapse, okay? So our NFTs a buy now. Disney shares are up 4.49%. And Salesforce asked to dim link logo on Chicago office building. This is Salesforce, ticker symbol CRM, is up 3.31%. Now, Salesforce did lay off last week, so this is just continuation for them. They're trying to right-size the company. Also, they had executive members leave the company. So Salesforce is trying to right the ship, cut the staff, make all the right moves to get the stock going back in the upper right-hand corner direction, okay? So that's going on there, all right? Will the metaverse be as important as smartphone? Meta Platform's chief product officer might think so, okay? And Facebook today was up 2.31% on that news, okay? This is Facebook, better known as Meta now, okay? And then lastly, Alphabet or Google swings the axe as big tech retreats from pandemic boom, okay? So basically all the tech companies hired a bunch of people, maybe 2 times as much as they needed. And unfortunately, now they have to release those people considering they don't have the same projections they had when everyone was stay at home, okay? So that is the news. Again, some of the top stocks performing was Amazon, Tesla, and Google. Again, Google was up 5.35%. And, it's great news for Google. It's still under $100 per share, a great stock to be in, okay? I think they can beat out Microsoft, but for right now, it looks like, ChatGPT is very hot, okay? All right, so let's take a quick look at my other portfolio. Okay, here we are in my other portfolio. As you can see, we have a throwback day. We're up almost $1,000. We were up 3.38%. Again, the top stock was Tesla, up over 5.21% for a total of about $380, $18. So Tesla was my top stock, but right behind it was Microsoft. Microsoft was up 3.66%, and I was up about $60. And SOFI Technologies, Again, it's up over 20% over the last month. And again, they will report earnings next Tuesday, not this week, but the following Tuesday, January 30th. SOFI Technology will report earnings. Okay, so if you want to know when a company reports, check out Earnings Whisper. Earnings Whisper will give you more information about which companies report the week. Okay, so that's coming up. And again, also some of my other top stocks today is NVIDIA. NVIDIA shares were up 7.21% as well. One Main Financial Holdings that pays a dividend, another great dividend stock, was up 5.50%. Ford Motor Company's up 1.81%, and ChargePoint Holdings was up 3.85%. Okay, so those were the top stocks today. Again, it was a great day for tech. Many stocks up over for the week. And just to give you a look for the year so far, tech has been up. So if you go to my Facebook group, Top Stocks, you're going to see there was a great movement in my portfolio where the number of stocks tick up. Okay, so here we are, day 18. Here's my portfolio back in around, I guess, January 2nd. We're trading around, but the portfolio was as low as 26,000. And today we got back up to 30-something thousand. Okay, so that as of January 17th, we're up to $30,000. And that's a nice move. Okay, so since around the 4th or 5th, we gained a little over $4,000 in my portfolio as the market moved up on good news in tech. Okay, so again, I do put great information in my Facebook group. Here's Google up, and here's Microsoft up 1.65% earlier in the day. Also, here is the news: Alphabet slashing headcount. So you can check that out on CNBC. Also, SOFI Technologies up earlier in the day. And also a number of other stocks that were up during the day. I do post in my Facebook group frequently. Also, I do post on my community page. So check that out as well. I think that's about it. Again, it is still earnings season. We got Tesla to come to report next week. We got Microsoft to report next week. Also, we have AMD to report. Also, Verizon, if you consider them technology. So some great technology comes to report next week, Microsoft and Tesla. And then the following week, SOFI and Amazon and Apple all report the following week. So that is great news. You'll see these stocks report. As I said, the kind of catalyst so far has been Netflix. Really quickly, let's take a quick look at Netflix stock as it's up after earnings. Okay, here we are, Netflix. Netflix did have Q4 earnings call this week, and the stock is up over 84% today. Also, over the last week or last month, they're up 14.95%. Okay, so Netflix did have a good earnings call, and then today the stock did soar over 8.46%. Part of it is Netflix has added a ad revenue model subscription, so you are seeing ads in some of your Netflix video. Also, Netflix did announce that the founder Reed Hastings is stepping down, so there is new blood that is moving up to the CEO. And like I said, Netflix did report earlier this week. Let's see. Shows here they did miss earnings per share and did miss revenue by 0.04%. But otherwise, it looks like they were up revenue-wise for the quarter. So again, Netflix did create a new ad revenue model. Also, Netflix is cracking down on the password sharing. Okay, so they're rolling out a new password sharing blocking system. So people that don't live in the same household will no longer be able to share the Netflix account. Okay, so again, Netflix shares soaring today over 8.46%, which is seen to lead technology out. And as you see, similarly, Walt Disney was up 4%, Amazon was up 4%, Microsoft was up 5-6%. All these are tech stocks. Again, heavily tech was up today over 3 or 4%. So that was the news. Again, please like, share my videos. Please subscribe. Please share. And again, if you want to start your journey, please use the Robinhood link below. And we'll see you on the next video.